Do you want to sort your data by field or cell color? Let's find out in this short video tutorial. Let's go. So you can see here that I have a very simple list of students and their corresponding score. And you can see that for some students, I have highlighted in different colors. For example, students with a low score, I will highlight in red so I could follow up and provide extra assistance to them. And then for those who are high achievers, I have highlighted them in green. For these students, maybe I will encourage them to do some more challenging work, for example, to participate in research project or science competition, etc., etc. So how do we sort by field colors in Excel? Well, first we will need to put the list inside a table. That way we can sort. And in order to do that, just press Ctrl A to select the entire table and then go to Insert and Insert Table. All right. Now I don't like the blue color, so I'm going to clear the formatting. Okay. And there you go. Now, if you just want to sort by a single color, so for example, you want to sort all the cells that are highlighted in red, then all you need to do is to click on the drop-down arrow next to the score column, and then go to filter by color and select the one that you want, for example, red. And you can see that all the cells that are highlighted in red have now been selected. But there's a problem with this approach because in a lot of cases, we don't want to just filter by a single color. We want to filter by multiple colors. For example, I want to filter all the cells that are highlighted in color. Let it be red or green or blue, whatever. Alright, so in that case, first we will need to select the entire table, and you can easily do so by just pressing Ctrl A. Alright, and then go to Data tab, go to Sort. Yep, and then here we want to sort by student score. Alright, and sort on cells color. Okay, and the order is that we want to sort first by red, because the students who are struggling are the students who need the most help. We also want to sort by the color green. Alright, so just copy the level here, and then instead of red, let's change it to green. Okay, and there you go. So now in just a few clicks, I can easily identify the students that I need to provide extra support to. For example, student number 1, student number 8, and student number 3. Alright, now a lot of you might be wondering, okay, so this is great, but sometimes I do not want to just sort by field color. I also want to sort by font color. For example, I have, let's say that student number 3. The font color will be yellow or orange. Okay, so is it possible to sort by both field color and font color? Well, the answer is yes, and we can do that using the sort option. Alright, so Ctrl A to select the entire table. Now go to the Data tab, go to Sort, and then first we want to sort by cell color. Okay, so red first. Now copy level. The second level we want to sort by green color. Okay, now copy level again, and this time we don't want to sort by cell color, we want to sort by font color. Okay, and there's only one option, which is orange. Alright, there you go. So now I can very easily see that I need to pay extra attention to those 4 students that are highlighted either by field color or by font color. And this is very useful when you are going through a very long list and you have probably like 10, 15 cases where you need to pay more attention to. Alright, so that's it. I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.